10 things that are bad for your mental health. In this video, we're going to take a look at 10 things that can have a negative effect on your mental health. Let's get started. Please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to our channel. It's free for you and helps support us to make more educational videos about health and well-being. Number 1. Excessive social media use. Spending excessive time on social media can lead to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, and loneliness, especially when comparing yourself to others, when being trolled, or when experiencing cyberbullying. Avoid constantly checking your social media. Instead, consider allocating specific times of the day to check in on social media. Tailor your social media platform to focus on keeping in touch with the people who are important in your life. Unfriend or mute people whose posts and comments are unfriendly, provocative, or negative. You can also set up your social media account to follow pages that bring positivity to your life. For example, pages that are related to your hobbies and interests or that are funny and enriching. Number 2, isolation. Avoiding social interactions and isolating oneself from friends, family, and community can exacerbate feelings of loneliness and contribute to depression. While it is good to be content with your own company, finding a balance between spending time on your own and spending time with others is often best for your mental health. Number 3, unhealthy eating habits. Junk food triggers the pleasure centers in the brain and make you feel good in the short term. But sustained poor diet can negatively impact mood and contribute to feelings of depression. This includes excessive consumption of processed foods, fast foods, sugary snacks, or comfort foods. While it's nice to treat yourself to fast food every now and then, a balanced diet containing meat and vegetables, oily fish, eggs, beans and pulses, and green leaves is better for you in the long run. Eating nuts, seeds, and whole grains is beneficial too. A balanced diet will be more likely to provide you with vitamin B12, folic acid, omega-3 fish oils, tryptophan, magnesium, and vitamin D, all essential for healthy brain function and positive mood. Number 4, excessive screen time. Spending excessive time in front of screens, whether watching TV, playing video games, tablet use, or browsing the internet. Excessive screen time can cause your brain to experience fluctuations of dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline, and cortisol that can cause feelings of anger, frustration, aggression, lethargy, and depression. Number 5, paying too much attention to the news. The news channels, websites, and newspapers often focus their stories on negative events because bad news sells. While it is good to keep informed about current events, it can be helpful for you to not stress too much about things that are happening in the world that are out of your control. Number 6, overwork. Working excessively long hours or taking on too many responsibilities without proper rest and relaxation can lead to burnout and worsen mental health. It can be helpful to set boundaries that separate your work from your rest and recuperation time. Number 7, perfectionism. Setting unrealistically high standards for oneself and constantly striving for perfection can lead to feelings of inadequacy, frustration, and contribute to depression. You are only human, and it's okay to make mistakes or to leave things not quite perfect. Also, it's okay to delegate tasks to other people, even if they do it differently to you. Number 8, not letting go of the past. Continuously dwelling on negative thoughts, past failures or event, or perceived shortcomings can fuel depression and prevent individuals from moving forward. If you find it difficult to let go of the past, cognitive behavioral therapy or talking to a counselor can often help. Number 9, having no direction. When we have no purpose or sense of achievement, our lives feel empty. Learning a new skill, new sport, or new hobby can help bring new challenges and fulfillment to our lives. Taking on a new job or doing charity work can also give us direction and a sense of purpose. Number 10, substance abuse. Regularly using alcohol, drugs, or other substances as a coping mechanism can worsen depression symptoms and lead to addiction. If you are finding it difficult to change habits that are negative for your mental health or are experiencing symptoms of depression, seeking help from a counselor or your doctor can be the first step to finding the necessary treatment and support. We have more educational videos about health and well-being, so make sure you check them out. Stay safe and take care. Your health matters.